To export records from CRM, first navigate to the view you are wanting to export. In this case, I'm going to be working with the Active Accounts view. If the view doesn't include all the fields you are after, you can select the columns options and then add in some different fields. And so what I might like to add in this case is I'm going to add in owner and then close that. And you'll see it's now added owner in here. The other thing that I can do is I can rearrange the order and put it in a way that makes a bit more sense to me. Once I'm happy, I can press apply and you'll see it's now popped owner into my view for me. The other thing that you might do is update the filter criteria, and you can do that through the advanced filtering panel. And you'll see it actually shows what filter we're putting on this view to present the data. In this case, I'm going to leave the criteria as is. Now that I'm happy with the view, we can select the Export to Excel option in the ribbon, and there are a few options to pick from. The main ones used are Static Worksheet and Excel Online. The one most of you would be used to is the Static Worksheet, where it is the same as any ordinary Excel spreadsheet. So it'll download here, and you'll see it is much the same and it's brought across those details for us. Excel Online is a really cool option that allows you to view CRM data in an Excel format without leaving the web page, and can also be quite easily used when doing an export for re-import. So depending on the format that you're wanting it, if you're wanting it as a more permanent style, you would do the static worksheet export. Whereas if you're just wanting to view it in the Excel style quickly here, you could then just use Excel Online.